Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can boost image quality and size with Canva. So all you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Let's get started by click apps and click AI powered. So you can scroll down and try to find enhancer, boost image quality and size. So you can enhance and upscale an image up to 1000% with this AI technology. Just one click. Click use in your design, then choose your canvas. Here you can select from your design or upload an image to enhance and upscale. Choose the file and let's try to find the image. And here we go. You can turn this on or off. This is enhance face, detect faces in your image and enhance them. So just click to enhance image. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.